So the target audience for whom we are discussing on this topic is very smart today. He is in the classroom, sitting with the knowledge that he has acquired through various forms of technology, such as internet, such as blogs, such as SMSs, right? And we have to deal with such a smart audience sitting in front of us. So before thinking on the alternative assessment techniques, let's think upon the current assessment techniques that are in place today. And here I would like to speak at ground level, because being a trainer and having visited many schools all over Gujarat as well as in Maharashtra, I have always worked at ground level and observed that students are secretly relaying this message to the teacher, that teacher, if you tell me, I'll forget. If you show me, I'll remember. But if you involve me, I'll understand. So we need to involve the students in the learning process, and assessment and evaluation is the latter process, after the learning process, right? And there are always 4 eyes working in the classroom. And those 4 eyes are: I for interest, okay? The second I is the interaction that takes place between the teacher and the students. The third I is the involvement, which is the byproduct of the interaction that takes place. And the fourth I is the teacher, I, right? It's always the teacher who brings all these things into action in a classroom. And unless the student is involved in the learning process, forget about the alternate assessment strategies. Even the current assessment strategies will be looking very good only on paper, but as far as implementation process is concerned in the actual classroom, God knows how many such seminars would have to be held. Right? Ma'am, do I still have time? Yeah. So should I leave the desk? Okay, fine. I have been told to wind up, but then being a trainer, I am used to talking for 300 minutes, and today I have been given only 3 minutes, so it's suffocating for me here. But then I have to give chance to other speakers as well. But thank you very much for your cooperation. Thank you so much.